Fire in the hole, let's cook some turkey wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard grill. Today what we're doing is we're cooking up some turkey wings. I wanted to make some chicken wings, but you know, chicken wings are getting harder and harder to find, and also they're more expensive than turkey. And turkey's good, it's got plenty of meat on it, beautiful wings. And yeah, we're going to do up these wings today, kind of a Cajun style wing. Cajun Italian fusion that you didn't even know you wanted. You'll see. Anyway, first thing we got to do is throw some Sang stir-fry oil on there. Because why? We always put some Sang stir-fry oil on everything we cook with, because it has the most beautiful garlic flavor of anything you've ever tasted. It's garlic infused cottonseed oil, high temperature oil, so it won't burn. And we want to get that all over those turkey wings, like that. Get them all slathered up with some Sangs. Then we got some, for Cajun cred, we've got some Tango Spice Cajun rub. And we're going to just slather that Cajun rub all over those wings. And that Sangs is going to help that rub stick to the wings. Going to get them all over them wings. Get them all rubbed down with Cajun rub, Tango Spice Cajun rub, Sang stir-fry oil, like we always do. And I wash these with some white vinegar to get the bad gunky off them, like I always do. And there we got our wings are rubbed up. They look good enough to eat already. I'm going to get these in my rotisserie basket, and we're going to get these wings spinning on the grill. And I got some cherry wood for smoke to produce a light smoke. I'm going to get these cooked up. Then we're going to make a Cajun sauce to put on them, and then we're going to hit them with some Parmesan cheese for that Cajun Italian fusion that you didn't even know you wanted. So stay tuned. Let me get these in the basket, get them spinning. I'll show you what that looks like. Those Cajun rub turkey wings are in the basket and spinning, and we got some cherry wood for producing a light smoke. We're going to get these puppies smoked up and cooked up. We got to get 170 degrees internal temperature on those. And then they'll be ready to sauce with some very special Cajun sauce. So stay tuned. My Cajun turkey legs are done, and they look good enough to eat just as they are. But I'm not done with them. Not by a long shot. I've got 2 sticks of melted butter. I'm going to put in my bowl here. That's a lot of butter. And I've got some Louisiana Gold pepper sauce that Big Lou from Big Lou's Barbecue and other things I want to do sent me. I took a taste of this. It's awesome. It's made with the regular cayenne peppers, but also Tabasco peppers, and the combination of the two makes it delicious. Let me tell you what. And I was worried that I wasn't going to be able to get any more of this. You know, I was going to use it all up and not have any for myself. But guess what? I found it on Amazon. You can get 3 bottles for 20 bucks, Big Lou. I'm going to buy 3 bottles of that. I'm going to mix that in with that butter. Like that. Maybe a little bit more of that Cajun, Louisiana Gold, Cajun Tabasco sauce. Tabasco and cayenne pepper mixed. I think we need a little bit more of that in there. We got plenty of butter, I'll tell you. These are going to be some buttery, awesome wings. I also want to put some of my root boy rub in there to get a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic flavor, and whatever other flavors I have in my rub. I need to break that up a little bit, I guess. Kind of about a tablespoon of that. Root boy rub, that's good stuff. We'll get that mixed up. Oh yeah, it's making my mouth water just thinking about it. Let me get my turkey wings off of here, off of this thing. We're going to dredge these turkey wings in that. They've already, covered with that Tango Spice, that awesome Tango Spice rub, which is, you know, you could have just, that's all you really needed. You didn't need to do all this. But I'll tell you, we're going to slather them with that butter and hot sauce mixture. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You know, these look even better than chicken wings to me. Let me get this one more in there. Get them slathered up with that. Get them all shiny with that beautiful pepper sauce and butter. Let's get these plated up. I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese on them. And then we're going to eat them. Take a taste and drink a beer, so stay tuned. My Cajun turkey wings are done. And they look awesome. They smell awesome. Here's today's beer. This is Visa Sur La Yuma, a dark lager brewed in Miami. This is a local beer, Rob. I don't know if you can get a hold of this at Publix. I got it at the beer store, you know, where I usually go to Total Wine. So I don't know if you can get a hold of it, but if you can, I think it's worth trying. A dark lager. It sounds good, huh? So to those people who say I always drink IPAs, well, I got a dark lager today, boy. Oh man, this looks good. This looks really good. You know, the difference between an ale and a lager is that ales are top fermented and lagers are bottom fermented. So that makes a difference in the brewing process. Visa Sur La Yuma dark lager. Look at that stuff. Isn't that beautiful? A dark lager. I can't wait to taste this, Rob. Let's sniff the sniff off of it. Ah, it smells great. It smells great. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think, baby? Wow, that's delicious. That gets a 10 out of 10 from me. I gotta tell you, it's awesome. It's really awesome. Brewed right here in Miami. Let me grab one of these turkey wings and get a bite of one of these in my mouth. Don't they look good? Look at that thing. Would you like to bite into that? I know I would. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. That's pretty good. Oh. I almost forgot. Wow. Got a mouthful of food. And I forgot to grate some Parmesan cheese on there. Yeah, baby. Now you're talking. I might have to shoot the thumbnail over again. Get some Parmesan cheese on there. Now we're rocking. Look at that. Don't that look good? Yes, sir. Yeah, baby. Now I got to take another taste because I got to get some of that Parmesan cheese in my mouth. Mmm. Wow, that's great. Who knew there was that much meat on a turkey wing? I didn't. Anyway, babies, that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and check out Big Lou. I'll put him in the iCard. Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. He sent me this Louisiana Gold hot sauce. Best hot sauce I've ever had in my whole life. Bar none. Delicious. Thank you, Big Lou. Thanks to everybody who subscribes and watches my videos. We'll see you next week, okay? Bye.